The Page of Cups may seem soft and dreamy, but beneath that gentle surface lies a complex energy that operates in subtle ways. This card is not about outcomes, it's about beginnings, emotional, intuitive, creative, and spiritual beginnings that are fragile and easily influenced by their surroundings. When this card appears, it presents a possibility that must be handled with awareness. It often brings communication that is indirect, unclear, or emotionally charged rather than logical, where feelings are expressed through hints or poetic language instead of direct statements. This can lead to sincerity without clarity. When the card represents a person, it often signifies someone kind, sensitive, imaginative, and emotionally open, yet lacking the maturity or strength for deeper commitments. This creates a paradox of genuine emotions without stability. In practical areas like career and finances, the Page of Cups rarely indicates strong material progress. Instead, it points toward creative pursuits or work that satisfies the heart more than the wallet, suggesting that while passion is present, strategy may be missing. Spiritually, the Page of Cups is linked to early stages of intuitive awakening, where one begins to feel energies and notice synchronicities but may struggle to differentiate between true intuition and emotional projection. This stage can lead to false interpretations or imagined insights. In relationships, this card reveals patterns of falling in love with ideas rather than reality, attracting emotionally unavailable partners, or seeking a fairy tale experience without practical effort. It raises the question of whether one truly desires love or simply the feeling of being in love. While the card encourages openness and emotional expression, it carries a warning that softness without boundaries can become weakness. Innocence without awareness can invite deception, whether from others or oneself. It's essential to balance sensitivity with discernment. The Page of Cups does not ask you to close your heart, but insists on keeping awareness sharp, perception clear, or grounding intact. Remember, while something meaningful may be beginning, it remains unformed and highly impressionable. Whether it evolves into something beautiful or dissolves into illusion depends on how consciously you engage with it.